Hello guys, welcome back to Proper Food. I'm Dean Edwards and today I'm going to share with you my secret for preparing a pomegranate. The first thing I'm going to do is take the top off. So get yourself a nice sharp knife and then just make cuts all the way around. Next up, we want to pull the top from the pomegranate and look at that. So around these little sections of pith, you can see that one goes down there, so I'm going to make a cut all the way down. Go again, we see this next one. I'm going to make another cut all the way down and then just keep repeating the process. And that is pretty much as detailed as it gets. So all you do now is just break open the segments. Look at that. No need to sit there for hours with a pin. So good.